everybody and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I thought I would change things up a little bit and play Google Feud. I don't know if you've ever seen Google Feud before, but basically it is... oh, I just saw a goose fly past. Basically what Google Feud is, it's a quiz game where you have to fill in the autocomplete. So I'm going to put the screen over here so you can see what I'm getting up to. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Oh no. Okay, so I'm going to choose a category and I think I'm going to do one of each. We'll see how it goes. So I'm going to go with culture first. Hats for St. Patrick's. No. Hats for... I'm thinking of all the bad stuff, like hats for hoes. Hats for sun. No. Hats for Christmas. Okay, I'm gonna retry that round. Oh no. Star Trek is boring. Star Trek is long. Star Trek is sci-fi. I literally am not getting one. Star Trek is cool. Better than Star Wars? No, it isn't. What is Soylent? I don't even know what Soylent is. I'm not gonna look at... I'm just Soylent meaning. It is gross. Soylent is delicious. Is good for you. Soylent is tasty. I'm just gonna say taste. Soylent is people made of humans. Anyway, that was such a rubbish round. I'm now going to move on to people. Mums. Mum is Mum's day. Oh, yay. Mum's birthday. Mum's cook. Mum's food. Mum's recipe day. I only got one. Anyway, this game is fun, boring, lame. I do not think what the general public thinks, obviously. This game is expensive. Real rig trash broken bonkers. In the refrigerator. All about food. So weird. My eyes look red. My eyes look dry. Skew. How do you spell skew? My eyes look green. Half closed in pictures. Okay, moving on to names. Edward Scissorhands. Come on. Edward Cullen. Am I just not spelling it right? Edward Cullen. I'm just gonna go. I know I shouldn't be doing this, but whatever. L-E-N. L-E-N. Edward Ivy. I don't know. Jones. I put Scissorhands. Questions. Has a dog ever been to the moon? Has a dog ever been Has a dog ever been sick? Has a dog ever been bred with a cat? What? Has a dog ever been bred with a horse? Okay, people aren't that crazy. Revived. Has a dog ever been to the sun? Anyway, why is my goldfish floating? Why is my goldfish blowing bubbles? Why is my goldfish not moving? Why is my goldfish swimming? Not swimming? Swimming upside down. I'm gonna put swimming again. Okay. Why is my goldfish fighting? Why is my goldfish sad? Why is my goldfish sinking? Turning black, turning white, swimming sideways. I am shocking at this game. Okay, let me do a query of the day. What would happen if you touched fire? What would happen if you touched... I'm trying to think what you're not allowed to touch. Hot water? What would happen if you touched electric something? A fence. Lava, a star, plasma. What are people asking? Okay, next one. Oh, that was it. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, my high score is 25. That is rubbish. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a bit of lightheartedness. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and hit that notification bell. That way you will be notified as to when I upload. Also, comment down below what you would like to see next. That way I'm giving you things that you actually want to see and not just what I feel you would enjoy watching. But anyway, bye guys, see you in my next video.